which best describes you right now. So here you find that there are 4 seasons. And for those 4 seasons, you probably will need 4 different plants. Now, I want to ask a question here, and I'm going to unmute you in order for us to have, because this is going to be a conversation, this particular thing. So for example, Ohitas is walking around right now, and I know that you probably may have noticed some greenery around you. There may be plants and leaves, weed, so to say, around you. You probably may have noticed that. The question I want to ask here is, how do you think these plants, by plants I'm referring to, how do these, how should I call it now? How do weed grow? The weed that we are used to, how do they grow? So I'd like you to answer that. How do weed grow?
They just grow well. They grow, especially when it rains, they grow better. They just grow well.
Okay, so they just grow by themselves, right? Thank you for that answer. I like that answer. That's the exact answer I was actually looking for. They grow by themselves. Yes. And then sometimes when there's rain, they grow better. Very good. Now we are going to transfer that to our businesses. Okay? We are going to transfer that to our businesses. Let me show you what I mean here. So if you actually consider what Ohitas just said now, you find out that weed grow on their own. And if you think about it, that on their own does not mean that they are not taking in something. What they are taking in is the dew that falls every single day. Because you actually go outside, you find that there is water on the leaves every single morning when you wake up, which is the dew, which is a process of photosynthesis, right? The sun going down, the sun going down, the sun coming up. By the time it goes down, by the time there's morning, photosynthesis has already happened, and so there is water. Can you remember that? If you have ever done biology, can you remember that? So now the question that becomes, if dew is what makes weed grow by themselves, rain is not something that happens every time. Rain only happens perhaps maybe the way there was rain yesterday, over the night today, there was rain, but there might not be rain for the next 2 weeks. Does that mean that the plants will not grow? No, nature has already made it possible such that even when there's no rain, plants can continue to grow. And so nature made the availability of the dew. Now, let's bring it to our businesses. In every business, there needs to be dew and there needs to be rain. Now, dew happens to be the income that comes in every single day, every single moment, every single time. While the rain can be the income that comes in, maybe one heavy income that comes, perhaps maybe like 800K with one project, 1 million with one project, 10 million with one project. That could be a rain. But how can you create dew for your business? How can you create dew for your business such that in this time when people are locked down at home, or people are locked in, or people are quarantining and isolating, that you can create dew for your own business such that your business can continue to generate revenue, even when there are not too many activities going on? Do you get what I just explained now? So you need to create a plan for the dew in your business as well as a plan for the rain in your business. Of course, the rain is what we usually get when a client signs up for maybe one of our big products. But the concept of the dew is that every single day, every single moment, something is coming into your business, even if that is very tiny, even if it is unnoticeable. Now, I learned this, that should be about 5 years ago, and that has been the biggest thing that I focused on in our business. So rather than focusing on the rain that comes up maybe just once in a while, I've focused my attention more on the dew that comes in every single day. Almost every single week in our business, we make money. The money doesn't have to be big such that one single money can buy an entire estate. That's not the focus. Of course, that's the rain. But the goal here is you want to have dew coming into your business every single day, every single moment, coming in like that. If you think about it, the people who are named as the richest men in the world, that is how their businesses grow. Their businesses grow on dew, not on rain. So for example, Dangote here in Nigeria, Dangote has products that are sold for maybe 100 naira, 200 naira. 300 naira. But those money keep coming in every day.